Alternate day fasting, ADF, is a form of intermittent fasting where you alternate between days of eating normally and days of fasting or consuming very few calories. Here's how it typically works. Fasting days. On fasting days, you consume minimal calories, often around 500 calories for the day, although some people choose to eat nothing at all. The idea is to create a significant calorie deficit to promote weight loss and improve metabolic health. Feeding days. On the days in between fasting, you can eat normally without specific calorie restrictions. You're allowed to eat a balanced diet that includes proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, ideally focusing on nutritious and whole foods. The cycle continues on an every other day basis, where one day you restrict your calorie intake significantly and the next day you eat normally. Benefits of ADF. Weight loss. ADF can lead to significant weight loss by creating a calorie deficit over time, as eating fewer calories on fasting days can reduce overall caloric intake. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting on alternate days can help improve insulin sensitivity, which may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Heart health. ADF may benefit heart health by reducing risk factors such as lowering blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inflammatory markers. Brain health. Some studies suggest that ADF can support brain health by increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) levels, which may help in the prevention of neurological diseases. Cellular repair and longevity. Fasting triggers autophagy, the body's process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones, which is linked to longevity and better health. Challenges include hunger and cravings. Especially in the beginning, individuals may experience significant hunger and cravings on fasting days. Nutrient deficiency. There is a risk of nutrient deficiency if the diet on non-fasting days is not well balanced, especially since there is less opportunity to consume essential nutrients due to reduced eating frequency. Social and lifestyle challenges. ADF can be socially challenging, as fasting days may interfere with social events, family meals, or work functions where food is involved. Energy levels and focus. Some people may experience dips in energy levels and reduced concentration or cognitive function on fasting days, impacting daily activities or job performance. Things to consider is you are thinking of starting alternate day fasting. Adaptation period. It can take time for the body to adapt to this eating pattern, and some people may find the fasting days challenging, especially in the beginning. Nutrient intake. It's important to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients on eating days, especially if you're consuming very few calories on fasting days. Lifestyle fit. ADF may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with specific health conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or individuals with a history of eating disorders. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a nutrition specialist can help determine if ADF is a suitable method for you. Can I exercise during alternate day fasting? Yes, you can exercise during alternate day fasting, ADF, but it's important to approach it with caution and listen to your body. On fasting days, you might have less energy, so consider doing lighter or shorter workouts, such as walking, yoga, or gentle stretching. On eating days, you can engage in more intense exercises like strength training, running, or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, as you'll have more energy from consuming food. It's crucial to stay hydrated and adjust your exercise intensity based on how you feel during both fasting and eating phases. What can I eat on fasting days for alternate day fasting? The fasting days typically involve little to no calorie intake. However, some versions of ADF allow for a very small number of calories, usually around 500-600 calories on fasting days. On these days, you can eat vegetables. Low-calorie, nutrient-dense options like leafy greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers can be consumed in small amounts. Proteins. A small serving of lean protein like chicken breast, fish, tofu, or a boiled egg can help maintain muscle mass and satiety. Broths. Clear broths or bone broths that are low in calories can help you feel fuller and provide essential nutrients. Water and zero-calorie beverages. Stay hydrated with water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea to help manage hunger. It's important to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods during your eating window to ensure you get the necessary nutrients while adhering to the low-calorie requirement on fasting days. How to get started with alternate day fasting, ADF. Starting alternate day fasting, ADF, involves a systematic approach to alternating between days of normal eating and days of significantly reduced calorie intake. Here's how to get started. 1. Understand your goals and health status. Assess why you are looking to start fasting and check with a healthcare provider to ensure ADF is safe for you, especially if you have any health conditions. 2. Plan your fasting schedule. Choose which days will be your fasting days and which will be your eating days. Many people find it easiest to start fasting on a less busy day to monitor their body's response. 3. Decide on caloric intake for fasting days. Some people opt for a complete fast, while others consume a very restricted diet, around 500-600 calories. Plan what you will eat on fasting days, focusing on high-protein, low-calorie foods that can help satiate hunger, such as lean meats, vegetables, and broth. 4. Prepare for eating days. Consume a balanced diet, rich in nutrients. There's no need to overeat. Focus on consuming enough to feel satisfied and nourished. Include a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout both fasting and eating days. Staying hydrated can also help manage hunger on fasting days. 6. Monitor your body's response. Keep track of how you feel during the fasting and eating cycles. It's normal to experience some hunger and discomfort initially, but these should not be overwhelming or persistent. 7. Adjust as needed. If you find the ADF schedule too challenging, adjust the fasting period or caloric intake on fasting days. 8. Seek support. Consider joining online communities or forums where you can connect with others practicing ADF. Sharing experiences and tips can provide motivation and support. 9. Be patient and persistent. It may take time for your body to adapt to this new eating pattern. Be patient with the process and give your body time to adjust. 10. Regularly assess progress and health. Periodically evaluate your progress towards your goals and any changes in your health status. Consult with healthcare professionals to ensure your diet continues to meet your nutritional needs. Starting ADF requires a thoughtful approach, considering your individual health needs and lifestyle. It's crucial to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed to ensure a sustainable and healthy experience. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Have a great day.